My name is Caitlin, and today we'll be going over the hamstring range of motion assessments. The hamstrings are a group of three muscles, the bicep femoris, the semitendinosus, and the semimembranous, located at the back of the thigh. They play a crucial role in knee flexion and hip extension, making their flexibility essential for optimal movement patterns in sports and daily activities. Limited hamstring flexibility can contribute to injury risk, reduced athletic performance, and movement compensations. Today we will cover two key assessments. First, the active straight leg raise, or other known as the ASLR, which evaluates hamstring flexibility while controlling pelvic and spinal positioning. Secondly, we will cover the active knee extension, also known as AKE, which isolates hamstring length with a fixed hip position. First things first, for the active straight leg raise. The participant lies supine on a firm surface with both legs extended. Make sure that the spine is neutral and the ankles are neutral. The test leg is then lifted straight while keeping the knee fully extended and the opposite leg flat. The movement stops once resistance is felt or compensations occur, such as pelvic tilting. You can put your leg down. In order to measure the angle between the raised leg and the resting leg, use an inclinometer or a goniometer. Normal range of motion for the ASLR is typically 70 to 90 degrees. Some common errors that can occur are excessive lumbar extension or posterior pelvic tilt. Also, there can be some bending of the knee during the lift. Secondly, for the active knee extension, the participant starts in a supine position with the hip flexed to 90 degrees. Make sure you or someone else holds the leg in position to ensure proper measurements. The participant then will actively extend the knee while maintaining the hip position. In order to measure, full knee extension at 0 degrees indicates excellent flexibility, while a range of motion greater than 20 degrees from full extension suggests tight hamstrings. You can relax. Some common errors that can occur are allowing the hip to extend during knee movement or allowing the hip to come in and out of 90 degrees, and excessive compensation with lumbar spine movement. Now that we have conducted the assessments, let's discuss how to quantify the results. For the active straight leg raise, we measure the hip flexion angle relative to the resting leg using a goniometer or an inclinometer app. Normative values suggest that angles below 70 degrees may indicate hamstring tightness. The standardized measurement for the ASLR is the greater trochanter of the femur as the reference for hip flexion. For the active knee extension, we measure the knee flexion angle in relation to full extension. A knee extension angle greater than 20 degrees suggests restricted hamstring flexibility. The standardized measurement for the AKE is the lateral epicondyle of the femur and lateral malleolus.